Today, we will learn another powerful proof technique in mathematics called proof by contradiction. So the idea is simple. So we will assume that the statement is false, and if that assumption leads to a contradiction, then eventually the original statement must be true. So let's see an example step by step. So we have a classic example here, prove that square root of 2 is irrational. So here is the proof. So in proof by contradiction, we will assume the opposite of what we want to prove. So assume that square root of 2 is not irrational, meaning square root of 2 is rational. So now we need to recall the meaning of rational number. Remember what a rational number is? So a rational number can be written as the ratio of two integers, say a divided by b. So a and b are integers, and b must not be equal to 0. Since if b is equal to 0, this ratio becomes undefined. Another is that the GCD of a and b must be equal to 1. So they must be relatively prime. So in other words, we assume that the fraction is in lowest terms, meaning a and b have no common factor other than 1. Okay? Now, since we assume that square root of 2 is rational, then that square root of 2 can be expressed as the ratio of two integers a and b, where b is not equal to 0. Squaring both sides, we have the square of root 2 is 2, and we can distribute the exponent, so we have a squared over b squared. By cross multiplication, a squared is equal to 2b squared. So from this implies that a squared is even, right? Because of the factor 2. Remember, even numbers are multiple of 2. So a squared is even. Then if a squared is even, then this also implies that a is even. For example, 4. 4 is 2 square, right? So 4 is even. And 2 is also even. So if the square of or if the square is even, this is 4, then a2 is also even. All right? Now, since a is even, we can let a be equal to 2k. Remember, even numbers are multiple of 2. So k here, some integer k. Okay? K is an element of integer. Now, let us substitute. So since a is equal to 2k, then a squared is equal to 2b squared. So a is 2k, so 2k quantity squared equals 2b squared. So squaring 2k, we have 4k squared equals 2b squared. And then dividing both sides by 2, we get b squared is equal to 2k squared. So from this, b squared is also even because of the factor 2. So this implies b squared is even. So if b squared is even, then this implies that b is also even. So now, since a and b are even, then they have a common factor of 2, right? So that contradicts our earlier assumption that a over b was already in lowest terms, diba? So a over b must be in lowest terms, meaning the GCD of a and b must be equal to 1. But a here is even and b is also even. So they have the common factor 2. So that is a contradiction. A contradiction. So this is a contradiction. Contradiction, and this is also a contradiction. So therefore, our assumption must be false. So our assumption is that square root of 2 is rational. So our assumption is false. So therefore, we have proved that the square root of 2 is irrational. So I include a shaded square here, meaning end of proof. And that is proof by contradiction. Assume the opposite, follow the logical carefully, or follow the logic carefully, and if you arrive at an impossible situation, the original statement must be true. So thank you for watching.